Put the word evolution into Google image search, and most that comes back is a variant on the same idea. You probably know the image. On the left, there's the knuckle-walking chimp. On the right, there's us, humans, standing upright. It's called the March of Progress, and it embodies many of our assumptions about the evolutionary process. That it is progressive, that it leads to perfection, that we are somehow the top of the evolutionary tree, so to speak. Work over the last 20, 30 years in genetics, however, has somewhat punctured this view. We find half of fertilized human eggs, for example, have the wrong number of chromosomes and die instantaneously. We find also that of those of us lucky enough to be born, 5 to 10% of us have rare genetic diseases because we have a high mutation rate. We also find, when we look at our DNA, although the canonical job is to make protein, only 1% of our DNA does that, and only 10% shows evidence of being functional at all. So what's going on? In the Evolution of Imperfection, I address these recent new discoveries and partner them with new discoveries of the workings of the evolutionary process that attempt to explain these. In particular, there are two forces that it appears to be important. One is that selection is really just rather inefficient when populations are small, and this explains our genomic bloating, it explains our high mutation rate. The other are problems of pregnancy that are particular to mammals. Can we do anything about all of these things, however? Well, we also have a big brain, and with a big brain comes modern medicine. So in the end, can we do something about our genetic lot? Well, with gene therapy, we might be able to. But the questions then are largely ethical.